Learn about text tool, how to resize the canvas using the crop tool, and how to export the final artwork in Procreate app. Hey everyone, and welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you are new here, I am so excited about today's video because it's going to be the last series on Procreate Basics video, and I'm so excited to show you how to add text and color the text using a gradient effect. Next, how to manipulate the canvas size. I will show you how to crop your illustration and how to add more space around the canvas if you decide to add more objects to your illustration, and I will show you how you can export the final piece of your artwork. Also, you will learn about the time-lapse feature which you can use to record an illustration creation process in Procreate app. Also, don't forget to download the ebook on the Ultimate Guide on Procreate Basics for Beginners that I will be sure to link in the description below. So you can download it from my website under the freebies section. And last but not least, this video is my favorite part, so you can learn the full process on how to start with Procreate app. If you like anything that I created in this video, I'll be sure to have it linked down below, color palette, working file, or just something shown in the video. Be sure to check the description because I will have everything there without making this intro super long though, and so we go ahead and jump into the video. Let's get right into it. Procreate app also supports text tool. If you want to add some text to the illustration, open the wrench icon and click add text. The text appears here and we can adjust the color here like this. Let's keep it white for now. To write text, click on the word, select all, and then click on the keyboard. It comes here. Let's type the word solar system. Select the text again. Here we can choose a font. I will use the second one. Here you can adjust the size like this. We can also expand the limits like this. Change kerning property and other settings. When you are done editing the text, click done. This is our text. We can move it just like any other object. If you want to edit the text again, go to layers, click on the text layer, edit text, and you will see the text settings again. I want to increase the size of it, something like this. Done, and move it bit center here. Now I'm gonna show you how to use a gradient as the color of your text. It's really easy. As usual, create a new layer here. We will add the colors which will be blended into the gradient. Pick the purple color from the palette, select the round brush and spread it all around the text. Now select the pink color and add some spots here and here. Then select the yellow color and add the spot here and here. Now enable clipping mask on this layer and you can see how it looks good now. Then go to the magic wand, select the Gaussian blur, tap and drag the pencil to increase the effect. I think our solar system illustration is complete now, but before you export it, you might want to change its size or proportion. I will show you how to do that. Click here. In Canvas, click on crop and resize. Here you can change the size of your illustration, or for example add more space to place more objects. You can easily rotate the canvas using this settings. Change the width and height of the canvas. If you click here, your current proportions will be fixed. And resample canvas setting, let you resize illustration to fit the new canvas size. For example, if we change the width now, you can see that the canvas frame became smaller, but the illustration has the same size and doesn't fit new canvas. Click reset. Now see what happens if we enable resample canvas feature and change the width again. Both canvas and the illustration got scaled down. Click reset. For example, you want to make the illustration vertical, so you could use it as a phone wallpaper. Disable resample canvas feature and lock the proportions. Enter 1080 pixels for the width and 1920 for the height. Now move the canvas frame part to the part of the illustration you want to keep. Click reset. If you want to add more space to the illustration, enter 3500 pixels for the width and move the canvas frame to add some space to each side like this. Now click done. To apply the changes, now we have more space around our illustration, but it looks flat now. We can easily fix that. Select the background layer, click on the transformation tool and resize the background texture to fill all the canvas. Exit the transformation tool and now we have space to add more objects to the illustration. But we don't need it right now, so let's cancel the last actions. Next, we see how to export our final artwork. It's really easy. Open wrench icon, click share option, and here you will find all the available file formats to export. In the bottom, our file format to export the animation, which we will explore later. To export this illustration, use one of these options. For example, you can use JPEG. If you click on it, you can quickly send illustration to your friends or save them to your camera roll or to your files. And another thing that I would like to show you is time-lapse recording, located here. If you enable it, the whole process of creating the illustration which will be recorded and speed up. So in the end, we will have a nice speed paint video that you can show to your friends. Now, if you turn on this feature, the process will start recording. I will create a new layer and draw some random shapes just to show you how it works. So all the steps that have been recorded if this switch is turned on. Now click on time-lapse replay to see the time-lapse video. Let's play it one more time. If you had enabled this feature in the beginning, we would get a much longer video which we could export using this button. So this is a really cool feature, but I don't recommend using it on every illustration because the videos can take a lot of your iPad storage. But when you know that the process will look fun, then definitely record it and then show people around you. Now just do the quick pinch to make the illustration full screen. We reached the end of the series. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting my channel. It really does mean the world to me and I'm so glad that you are here again. If there is anything that you liked in this video, I'll be sure to have it linked in the description below. I honestly can't wait to see you guys progress and create more amazing content for you. Thanks again and I will see you in the next video.